The cream of the introductions to an IELTS Writing Task 1, keep three things in mind: what, where, and when. Hi there, welcome back to Greasing Friendly. In today's video, I'd like to teach you how to write the best of the introductions to an IELTS Writing Task 1. How to write a high-band IELTS Writing Task 1 introduction. Writing a good introduction gives you confidence to write the rest of your response confidently and well. So you should keep three things in mind while writing an IELTS Writing Task 1 introduction: what, where, and when. So as you look at the question type, you should look at three things: what the graph shows, percentage, proportion of population, the number of items sold, or the quantities, or the amount what the graph shows. And next, you should check where the graph comes from, the place the graph comes from, maybe Australia, the UK, or South Asian countries. And next, you should look at the time period the graph covers, maybe between 1990 and 2000, or during 2015. So once you've looked at three things, what, where, and when, you should underline these three things. And you should rewrite these three things, what, where, and when, in your own words. You should not copy out exactly the same words as in the text, because if you do so, your introduction will be penalized. The examiner won't count the number of words that you've written for the introduction to an IELTS Writing Task 1. So you will lose your marks for that. So don't copy out exactly the same words, because if you do so, your introduction will be formulaic. So write the introduction in your own words. Rewrite the three things in your own words.